Hello everybody, my name is Ghost Runner, and today I'll be playing Ratchet and Clank Part 2. Sorry for my voice there, it was a little scratchy, but we are back in time to have some more fun. I should probably tell you what happened in the past video. And if you have not seen that, you should probably see it. But what basically happened was Ratchet and Clank met each other. Then they learned about this really bad guy named Chairman Drac. He's gonna try to blow up a lot of planets so his own race can make their new planet because of their overpopulated, stinky, smelly, toxic planet. And so now we're gonna play some more of this game. And also I got a new gun. Oh shoot, no, that's not what I wanted to do. That's how you switch weapons. Okay. So let's just give this a go. Yeah. Birds, 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 bird. Oh god. So many bolts. Bird. Okie dokie, now it's time to go take out these guys. I am a pro! Even though this is literally the beginning of the game. I just love to state the obvious. Okay, okay, na na na, na na na. Okay, dokie. Oh, hello. That's an army that I'm gonna take out. Oh, what's up? You just got killed. Wrecked. However you want to pronounce that. Ah. Just popped my knuckles on accident. I don't want to pop my knuckles. Like, some people find that like a cool thing. But me on the other hand, I try to do that less because of arthritis. That's when your fingers get all wibbly wobbly, timey wimey, and I don't want that. I don't want that at all. So I stop. Otherwise I'm not gonna be like good at most of the things I do. Hey! That did nothing! But you just made my life more complicated. Okay, okay. Bring it! Fight me. Fight, 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 fight. Okay, now time to search for more stuff. And possibly even more stuff. Check over here. Oh yeah, bolts. All the bolts. Yay. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. I should be a baseball player with all these amazing tosses. No, I want the bolts.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you when you think.
I just killed your
It's all I've got.
guard bad guys.
Let's see what he's got.
I just killed the bad guys for you.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Cork, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargy and Snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sandbounce. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. You're fighting crime, or just fighting grind. Come to Al's Robo Shack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's Robo Shack. It's quark-tastic.
It's quark-tastic.
Yeah,
Huh?
Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Now that you have the word about being planned,
Chairman Shipliness. Okay.
bring up the master.
I've got so many places to go to now. I gotta go to Metropolis, some sort of sand place. It's pretty confusing. But I'll get that all sorted out. Hey! Hey! Yeah. What? No. Yeah. Yes. Okay, dokie then. Let's continue on here. I think that's basically about it for this planet. I think I've got basically everything that I need. Now I can leave. Alright. Oh. I guess I'll go here first. Locate, Skid McMarks. Oh yeah, the hoverboarder. And Skid's engine. Eight. . Oh boy. Ugh, I can't speak. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. Skid's agent. Okay, dokie. Let us do it. To space! I'm glad that didn't take long. It's like probably the lamest loading screen ever. Alright. Time to go kill something. That's always something great to say at the beginning of everything. Time to go kill something. Like this, and that, and that. Yes, yes. Die, die, die. I could tell this is already going to be a great map for me to do, or level, or whatever. Whoo! Oh crap. This is not helping. There we go. Here we go. Oh, oh no! Hey! 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 Okay. Oh hell! Get away from me with that flamethrower. Thrower. That's a great name. That'll be the new Ratchet and Clank weapon, right? Unless, like, the series is fully done. I'm not exactly sure. It probably is, because they've made at least, like, 20 games. 20 to 25. Well, then again, it might be just 15. But they've made a lot of them. Let me just say that. Oh, my camera's already close to dead. Okay, if the video just ends automatically, you know, like, as I'm, like, recording, I am very sorry. But my camera died during the process. But do not worry, I'll explain all that to you. But if I am able to, like, say the ending of my theme, of, you know, like my outro. Oh, I got it. Right, I gotta get the swing shot. But, like, I'll explain it all to you. Camera died and all that, but so sorry for the short video. But then again, you'll probably just be fine with like 15 minutes. But yeah, just the basic things I always say at the end of a video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe to become awesome, even though you're probably already awesome. You'll become even more awesome. And see you in the next video. Bye. That's basically all I'm gonna say. So if it actually dies on me in the middle of the video, that's basically all you have to hear. That's all you're gonna hear, basically. So, yeah, I'm just gonna keep playing. Do a little talking, maybe a little joking. I haven't really done any jokes yet for this at all. I don't know jokes. No. God, please. Oh, I hate the camera angles. They screw me up every single time. See. here. Oh, great sharks. Yeah. I don't want to jinx myself, but I think I might be good. I think I might be able to do my outro. Please pray that I am able to do the outro. Because honestly, that wouldn't be good. You wouldn't get to hear my amazing outro. Oh man, are you kidding me? Nah. No, no. Oh, okay. So it's okay to dip your toe in it. Come here. Yeah. 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 Die. Okay. Time to do a weird camera angle. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Jump. Jump! Okay. Da-da, da-da, da-da-da-da-da. This is probably the most weirdest part about this game. It's just like him like skidding across that little area. Hey! Hey! You gotta have a lot of muscle to do something like that. Just like pull yourself up with your bare fingers. And like you don't even use your legs at all, like swing or anything, you just like hey! Oh yeah, do I jump up here? Yeah, I do. I wish I could get across there, but I can't. I need the jetpack thingy-mabobber. That's in Metropolis. But here we go.
No signal whatsoever.
Found Skid's agent.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. I haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next stop.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
So now I have to do the little race that he just offered. Eventually, I have to. First, like, I gotta get a hoverboard and all that other stuff. And, like, the hoverboard races are such a pain in the butt for me. I cannot lie. Yes, I have. And if you do not know, I have played this game before. No, 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 no! No! Ah! I said no! Get back on! Stupid piece of junk. Give me the bolts. Give me the bolts right now. Whatever you do, do not stand on that thing again or I'll kill you. As you can see, I really deal well with this kind of like I can deal just fine with something small like that. Not really, but okay.
I got some great
No, what new weapons? That's stupid. Probably time to switch to the pyro. Is that it? Let's just call that that. Call that that. Where the heck is it? That stupid little entrance to right behind my ship. Comforting. Oh. That was easy.
Damn, Skid McMarks.
That man from the info bot.
In the flesh, news dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in? We saw you screaming for help. That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
But he's about to crash, sir.
He's okay. But I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle. Oh, come on. If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet will need to find Captain.
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Yeah, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
Okay, dokie then. So this is when things get pretty dang intense. See if I can do this pretty fast. I feel like I can. So many bolts. I am rich. I am so rich. I am so happy. I show a lot of emotion from that shit. Oh, that was surprising. Run, 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 run. Oh. No, thank you. I'm going to try to finish this as fast as possible because I only got like 5 minutes to do this. And I don't want to like have to restart all this by memory. So, yeah, let's just finish this up real fast here now. Yep. Okay, dokie. Just a couple more, and I'll be done. No, my bolts.
Here, man. Catch. A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these. Well, I got a bed. Gets you dudes into hoverboard races.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Clank Road.
So I'm just gonna collect a couple more bolts here, and I'm gonna be done with the video. Hopefully the camera doesn't die on me at the last couple seconds. Do. Oh crap, no. Haha, that would have been terrible. Okay then. Okay, so the good news is the camera didn't die on us. Hopefully it doesn't die as I'm exiting out. So leave a like if you did. Subscribe to become awesome. Even though you're probably already awesome, you'll become even more awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.